Today we're going to make a black and silver metallic with red accent 2X Australian paint. I already have my black metallic mixed up and my bright silver metallic mixed up. And we are going to mix these pretty good, just make sure we don't get too many tadpoles from the metallic powder. And these are from Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. We also use their Part A and B heat resistant countertop epoxy. So we're going to start with the black. Just randomly put the black out here. Spread it out a little bit. Put the silver out here somewhere to fill up all the rest of the spot. Okay, we're going to sort of keep these somewhat separate today. Just blend it in just a few spots. That's starting to look good there. Get some of this overflow over my edges. We're doing this sample piece for a customer that has a salon. They asked me if I'd do something for a shelf that holds all their shampoo bottles and stuff. So we're matching some of the colors that they have in their salon. Blend some of these colors. The edge is really good here. Get that couple of dry spots touched. Okay. I am going to wipe my hands, and then I'm going to hit it with a torch real quick. I want to get epoxy all over my torch. Okay, missed my edge right here, right in front of me. All right. We want some red in it. We've got an accent wall in their salon that's red. So we're going to add this red. And we're just going to dab it in with I'm going to get a clean one. We're just going to dab this in. Paper towel. Isn't that cool? You see that? Oh wow. I might have added a little bit too much red. I hope they wanted this much red. We'll find out. Wow. Isn't that cool? I forget I'm talking to myself. That is going to be it for this piece. We're just going to let it dry for a little bit. We'll turn the camera back on and we'll see if we'll make any adjustments to this. Alright, we're back. We waited about 15, maybe 20 minutes. We're really loving this piece. It is, I think it'll go great in the slot that it's going for, because he's got his wash station and stuff, his black sinks, he's got a red wall, and I think we nailed this one. I think he'll love it. Thanks for watching. This is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy, and I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel.